Welcome back to another installment of What's in the Box on Dave's Small World. So the project we're working on is a 1970s Glastron CV16 SS that has a lot of rotted wood and needs a lot of repair. I'll leave a link at the end of the video somewhere over here, up there maybe, or in the middle. But yeah, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You'll see what's going on with that. It's really a cool boat. But anywho, let's check out what's in here. So let's carve this baby open and see what we got. Again, cardboard. The operator's manual. Another tool list. Wants and needs and wishes. Keep fingers away from blade, it says. All right, so we're another 18 volt Ryobi tool. Safety lockout on the trigger. More cardboard. And look at that. The saw. But I don't see the tool for taking the blade out. Am I missing something here? All right, so, look at that. Yeah. Comes with. Okay. Let's put this baby together and see what we got. So in here, there is a little motor lock that will assist you in loosening up the bolt on this. And it is a reverse thread bolt. So keep that in mind when you're putting these things together. All right, so direction arrow. The teeth will be facing up, so the saw will cut in this direction, like this. As you're holding down to the wood, it'll bring the saw up. It'll keep that nice and tight to the wood. I'm sure you guys know this, but yeah, it's always nice to remember, right? All right. Blade lock, bolt. Remember to tighten it in the opposite direction. In this case, it's counterclockwise to tighten it. Hold down your motor lock. Tighten that down. Okay. Safety. How do you adjust this thing? Oh, there you go. So we're cutting 3/4 inch plywood today, so we'll try that. Let's go grab a battery. Well, it works. Cuts cardboard. So there you go, guys. That's the Ryobi 6.5 inch 18 volt one battery system circular saw. We are going to put this to test. Like I said, we're going to be cutting a lot of plywood with this, so we'll see how it works out with that. I'll keep you guys updated. If you want, subscribe to the channel. and you can get to see me build all kinds of fun stuff, open boxes, and cook some stuff every now and then. But other than that, have a great day. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, whatever.